Welcome to my honest review of Mixpanel. If you're looking to dive into business analytics, you've probably heard about Mixpanel, one of the top platforms for tracking user behavior. It's designed to help businesses make data-driven decisions by analyzing how users interact with products or services. The first thing that stands out with Mixpanel is its robust event tracking capability. You can track user actions in real time, which is extremely useful for understanding customer behavior. Whether it's clicks, signups, or purchases, Mixpanel provides a detailed overview of your user's journey. The event-based data model allows for precise tracking, giving you a granular look at user actions, which is invaluable for product and marketing teams. The user interface is pretty clean, but it may take some time to fully navigate if you're new to data analytics tools. The dashboards are customizable, which is great because you can focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. However, for those who are not familiar with analytics software, the learning curve might be steep. Mixpanel offers powerful segmentation and funnel analysis tools. You can segment users by demographics or behaviors, which helps tailor marketing campaigns more effectively. Funnel analysis helps track how users progress through various steps of your product or service, making it easy to identify where they drop off. This insight is vital for optimizing your conversion rate. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One of the biggest drawbacks I've experienced is that Mixpanel can become quite expensive as you scale up your usage. The pricing model is based on the number of tracked events. So if you're running a large-scale operation or a rapidly growing startup, the costs can quickly add up. Additionally, while Mixpanel offers a lot of data, it lacks some of the more advanced predictive analytics features that competitors, like Amplitude, provide. Customer support is a mixed bag. The documentation is quite thorough, and there's a decent knowledge base. However, when I reached out for more personalized help, the response time was slower than I expected. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Mixpanel is a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their product or service through data. It's a fantastic choice for tracking user behavior and analyzing key metrics, but it may not be the best option for smaller businesses with tight budgets. Its complexity can also be a barrier for beginners, so be prepared to invest some time into learning how to use it effectively. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information.